In this guide, we will show you the working and tested image of the test point pinout for the Realme C55 RMX3710. Using the ISP PinOUT, you can easily restore the stock ROM, bypass the FRP lock, or reset user data on your device via UFi Box. In this guide, we will also guide you on how to reboot into MTK Brom Mode. What is the test point? The test point is a copper pad on your motherboard, PCB, that allows you to force boot of the MediaTek processor of your phone to MTK flash mode to reprogram/reset FRP, flash, unlock, and repair your device. With the help of the test point, you can force the device into Brom mode and repair it using tools such as SP Flash Tool, Hydra Tool, CMMTK2, Unlock Tool, or UMT. Without using the test point, these devices cannot detect the device when it is completely dead. Data recovery operation. Dead boot issues fixing. Bypassing FRP lock. Firmware flashing. IMEI and security partitions. Realme C55 RMX3710 test point image. The following image will guide you through shorting the pinout and successfully rebooting your Realme C55 to MTK Brom mode. Required tools for repair. When the device is successfully put into MTK preloader Brom mode via the test point, you will need a professional service software tool to perform the repair. Commonly used tools include SP Flash Tool, standard for MediaTek devices. Unlock Tool, UMT, Ultimate Multi-Tool. Hydra Tool, CM2, MTK2. Guide to use Realme C55 test point. First, switch off the Realme C55 completely and remove the back cover. Disconnect the battery connector for safety. Find the Realme C55 test point on the motherboard. See the diagram above. Use a tweezer or a jumper wire to shorten the test point to ground. Connect the device to your PC using a USB cable. Open your mobile repair tool and use the function you want. This process is not easy, so it is recommended that only experienced technicians attempt it. Running the test point incorrectly can cause permanent damage to the phone. Read more Samsung Galaxy A03 SSM, A037F test point /ISP MMC PinOUT. Frequently asked questions. 1. What is the Realme C55 test point? The test point is a small spot on the phone's motherboard. You connect it to the ground, metal shield, to put the phone into EDL or Brom mode. This helps you fix software and lock problems. 2. Why do I need to use the test point? The test point is a small spot on the phone's motherboard. You connect it to the ground, metal shield, to put the phone into EDL or Brom mode. This helps you fix software and lock problems. 3. Do I need to open the phone? Yes. You must carefully remove the back cover and the internal screws to reach the motherboard, where the test point is located. 5. Is the test point safe? It is safe if you are careful. However, opening your phone voids the warranty. Be very gentle so you don't damage the small parts on the board. 6. Which port will show up in Device Manager? If done correctly, your computer will show MediaTek USB port or preloader under ports, COM and LPT.